Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Inventor Bill Channel. What do you usually do when an old drill battery stops working or refuses to charge? Most people assume it is dead and throw it away right away. Do not rush. In many cases, the battery still has life left inside. Today I will share a simple method to bring a dead drill battery back to life at home. Start by sliding the old battery out of the drill. Set it aside and grab a newer battery that still works. The motor spins strong and smooth. That proves the drill itself still works perfectly. For a clearer test, grab a small LED wire light. Touch the two wires on the terminals of the good battery. The LED lights up instantly. You can see the power is strong. Move the LED wires over and touch the same terminals on the old battery. Nothing happens. No glow at all. The old battery gives no output. Check it with a multimeter. Set the meter to DC voltage. Touch the probes on the good battery first. The needle jumps up right away, showing solid voltage. Move the probes onto the old battery. The needle stays still, no movement at all. This battery looks completely dead. Keep things organized with tape. Stick a strip on each battery, write good on the working battery and bad on the dead one. I know many of you have great ideas and smart tricks, so drop them in the comments so everyone can learn from you. The goal here is simple. Wake up the dead battery with a quick boost from the good one. Grab two paper clips and straighten them. Use the first clip to connect the negative terminal of the good battery with the negative terminal of the dead battery. Use the second clip to connect positive with positive. While the batteries stay connected, touch the LED wires to the two paper clips. The light turns on instantly, showing current is flowing through the connection. Confirm it again with the multimeter. Touch the probes on the paper clips and watch the needle rise. The current moves across the connection, which means the dead battery has started receiving a push. If paper clips are not available, use another option. Grab two utility knife blades. These thin steel blades work like strong connectors. Slowly remove the two paper clips. Grab two utility knife blades and hold them carefully, because they are very sharp. Press one blade against the negative terminal of the good battery and the other blade against the positive terminal. Keep your fingers away from the edges. Bring the old battery in and connect it the same way, negative to negative and positive to positive. Hold the connection steady and let it boost the battery for a few minutes. For a safer and more stable connection, use washers. Grab 4 flat washers and 2 short wires. Attach one washer at each end of the wires so the washers act like contact pads. Wrap the wire slowly and make the connection tight. A solid connection keeps the current stable and prevents weak contact. Use insulated wire because it adds safety and helps avoid accidental shorts. The flat washers also make a big difference. They sit firmly on the battery terminals and give a wider contact surface, so the connection stays secure while the battery receives the boost. Press the flat washer firmly onto the battery terminal so it makes full contact with the metal. Do the same on the other terminal. Connect the two batteries together. Match the negative terminal of the good battery with the negative terminal of the old battery. Match the positive terminal with the positive terminal. Test the LED again by touching it on the washer so the light turns on, showing the circuit works. Remove the washers carefully and disconnect both wires. Pick up the multimeter and touch the probes to the old battery terminals again. This time, the needle finally moves. It may not reach full voltage yet, but it no longer reads 0. That change matters. This works because many drill batteries shut down after long storage. Voltage drops too low, and the charger refuses to recognize it. A quick boost raises the voltage enough for charging to begin again. The battery has awakened enough for normal charging. Slide the old battery into its charger. Watch the indicator light. If the charger responds and the light turns on, charging has started again. Leave it charging for about 2 hours. A full cycle helps stabilize the cells and restore usable power. After charging, pull the battery off the charger and lock it back into the drill. Hold the drill tight and squeeze the trigger. The motor spins again, just like it did with the good battery. The dead battery comes back to life. If this repair helped you, hit the like button so more people can find this trick. Subscribe for more DIY fixes you can use in your garage, and leave a comment telling what tool you want to restore next.